Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to create the perpendicular curve at point construction plane. This plane will be created with its center point. When you select a curved sketch or spline, you could also move the plane along the curved sketch and the spline. I will show you how to create the hook by using the perpendicular to curve at point construction plane. On the design area, I have created the base of the hook on the right work plane. So now I will draw the hook sketch on the front work plane. Click Sketch. Click Spline. Draw the hook. Click and drag the spline points to adjust the spline. The sketch of the hook is created. Now it is time to create the plane. Click Add. Click Construction Plane. Click Construction Type. Click Perpendicular to Curve at Point. Click to select the spline. The plane is created, but we have to click the center point of the plane to move it to a specific place or point and then release the mouse. Click Done. Place the mouse on the plane. Double press on the spacebar key to drawing the circle. And define the radius of the circle to 0.3 centimeters. Click Tool. Click Sweep. Click to select the face of the circle. Click Next. Click the spline. Click Done. Click this edge to apply the fillet to 0.2 centimeters. Click Item Manager. Click to select Body 01. Click this arrow, drag to the left side to move the body by defining 0.06 centimeter. Click to delete the sketch in the plane. Click to select both bodies to combine them into a body. Rename the body to Hook.